Metzger Property Services presents this outstanding opportunity to purchase a turnkey dairy operation in northwest Indiana. 362 acres in LaPorte County, including dairy facility, beautiful country home, irrigated cropland, and woods, all selling at auction January 28th. Property will be offered in 8 individual tracts, combinations, and the entirety. Tract 1 is 12.5 acres with dairy operation and country home. Dairy operation features over 350 Freestalls with updated double 10 rapid exit herringbone parlor. Improvements include bunker silo, manure storage, and hay storage. The 4-bedroom home on Tract 1 has 3 full baths, main floor laundry, and 2-car attached garage with a full bath. Tract 2 is 137.5 acres of quality irrigated cropland with a soil index of 102. Tract 3 is 12 acres in size, consisting of recreational woods, ideal for outdoor activities. Tract 4 is 15 acres of pasture or tillable cropland with a soil index of 113.2. Tract 5 is 71 acres of quality irrigated cropland with a soil index of 93.4. Tract 6 and Tract 7 are each 40 acres of quality cropland. The soil index on Tract 6 is 97.8, while the soil index on Tract 7 is 105.7. Also quality cropland, Tract 8 is just over 34 acres in size with a soil index of 125.4. To see this incredible opportunity firsthand, schedule a private showing through Metzger Property Services or just visit the open house Saturday afternoon, January 16th from 2 to 4 o'clock Central Time. Property is at 3606 West 800 South, Union Mills, Indiana. This beautiful country home, turnkey dairy operation, all 362 acres in northwest Indiana, will sell at auction Thursday evening, January 28th at 6 o'clock Central Time. Auction will be held off-site at the Union Mills Conservation Club, 100 Mill Pond Road, just north of Union Mills, Indiana. To find out more, call Metzger Property Services at 260-982-0238 or visit the website metzgerauction.com.